To add currency to your Revolut account, start by opening the Revolut app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, navigate to the dashboard where you can view your account balances. Select the account you want to add currency to by tapping on it. If you have multiple accounts, choose the one where you want to add the new currency. After selecting the account, tap the Add Currency button, which is usually represented by a plus sign. This will take you to a list of available currencies that you can add to your account. Browse through the list of currencies and select the one you want to add. You can also use the search function to find a specific currency. Once you have selected the currency, you will be asked to confirm that you want to add it to your account. Confirm the action and the new currency will be added to your account. You can now use the newly added currency to make transactions, send money, or exchange it with other currencies. It is essential to note that adding a new currency to your Revolut account does not require any minimum balance or fees. However, be aware that exchange rates may apply when exchanging currencies. To get the most out of your Revolut account, make sure to regularly review the exchange rates and fees associated with each currency. This will help you make informed decisions when making transactions or exchanging currencies. By following these steps, you can easily add currency to your Revolut account and start using it for your financial needs. Revolut also provides a help center and customer support in case you need assistance with adding currency or any other feature. Adding currency to your Revolut account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. With Revolut, you can manage multiple currencies in one account, making it a convenient option for travelers, freelancers, and anyone who needs to make international transactions.